Hey y'all, let's talk drones specifically, the best ones for capturing jaw-dropping photos, no matter your budget. If you've ever wanted to snag those silky smooth aerial shots, stick around, because I'm breaking it down, from wallet-friendly wonders to pro-level beasts. First up, if you're new to the game or just watching your spending, check out the DJI Mini 2 SE. This little guy is lightweight, easy to fly, and packs a 12MP camera perfect for crispy shots without breaking the bank. And hey, it folds right up so you can toss it in your backpack for those spontaneous adventures. Need a bit more punch? Take a look at the DJI Air 2S. This bad boy's got a 1-inch sensor and shoots 20MP still serious clarity, even in low light. Plus, its obstacle sensors help keep you out of trouble so you can focus on getting the perfect frame. Now, if you're ready to go full pro, think magazine covers and next-level landscapes, the DJI Mavic 3 is where it's at. Dual cameras, 4/3 CMOS sensor, and up to 46 minutes of flight. The Hasselblad camera delivers rich colors and wild detail. It's pricey, but if you're all about that sharpness and dynamic range, it's worth every penny. Before you take off, remember, always check your local drone rules and keep safety first. No shot is worth risking someone's day or your drone. So whether you're just starting out or ready to level up, there's a drone out there ready to turn your photo dreams into reality. Hit that like if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments which drones got you drooling. Catch y'all in the next one. Visit our website, https://raisingdrones.com/